Alright everyone, it's the College WX here, after that Skywarn decides to interrupt us, along with Mrs. Clock. Go ahead, Mrs. Clock.
The time is 19:12. The temperature is 68.3 degrees Fahrenheit. The time is 7:12 p.m. The temperature is 68.3 degrees Fahrenheit.
And today, we have a notification. So, here we go. Turn that down a little bit. Let's see what this is. Alexa, what's my notification?
One new notification from Amazon. U.S. National Weather Service has issued a wind advisory for Midway. It'll be in effect from November 20th, 8 p.m. EST until November 21st, 1 a.m.
Well, there you go, y'all. That pretty much, whoops, is what she had to notify me about. So I am now under a wind advisory. So, alright. That's going to conclude this video.